turn the same way with your hands, and then you go really fast. Yep.
Emily, can I see go?
Okay, here we
No, I said go.
Ready, set, go.
Come on.
Go.
Spin.
Gotta do it real fast. Take big wide. See, you're going too short. There you go.
There you go.
Faster.
And then when you're done like this, hold on to the bar. And you're like, woo!
Yeah. That's what they handle on the seats for, you know.
Supposed to hold the handle. I think, isn't that part for your feet? Don't they put their feet in them holes? Like where the seat is, they put the feet in?
I don't think so.
Oh.
I think it's for some of the kids that don't want it. They just.
Little tiny toddlers, probably. Yeah, that's only to age 10 or 11, I'm sure. She's telling Diane she's to get it for her grandkids.
Well, at least it hasn't fallen apart yet. Nobody's crashed.